Tiruvan University 2080 partial exam, bachelor level, 4 years program, education, B.Ed second year, English for communication, English education 428, minor subject, question paper, full marks 80, time 3 hours. Here are 3 groups. In group A, there are given 14 questions. Each question has mark 1 and total mark of group A is 14. In group B, there are given 6 questions. Each question has mark 7 and total mark of group B is 42. 3 or questions are given in group B. In group C, here are given 2 questions. Each question has mark 12 and total mark of group C is 24. In group C, here is given 1 or question. Group A, attempt all questions. Pick the best answer. Question number 1. What is the communicative function served by the English expression I am sorry, you must not meet her today? A. Expressing approval. B. Expressing prohibition. C. Expressing surprise. D. Expressing pleasure. Question number 2. Which one of the following expression serves the communicative function of encouraging? A. Keep on pausing. B. Really, I am fed up with you. C. Give up. It's not worth the effort. D. Don't bother with it. Question number 3. Which one of the following expression is an example of informal English? A. I am meeting you at the airport. B. I am looking forward to meeting you at the airport. C. We have not invited her to your party yet. D. It's our pleasure to welcome you here. Question number 4. The expression, oh, how marvelous it is, serves the communicative function of ... A. Expressing dislikes. B. Expressing likes. C. Expressing boredom. D. Expressing anger. Question number 5. Which one of the following expressions serves the communicative function of suggesting? A. I assure you that I can complete it on time properly. B. How talented you are at composing English poems. C. You would better meet her today. D. What a tall girl she is. Question number 6. Which one of the following sentences serves the communicative function of apologizing? A. How stupid you are to go into this case. B. How avaricious you are to pile up fertile riches. C. I beg your pardon. I won't do it again. D. You have been excused. Don't feel depressed. Question number 7. The expression I fancy being treated like his daughters has the meaning identical to ... A. I want him not to discriminate me. B. I do loathe behavior. C. I do hate his behavior. D. I like this behavior. Question number 8. Would you mind closing the door please? Serves the communicative function of ... A. Ordering someone. B. Requesting someone. C. Reminding someone. D. Threatening someone. Question number 9. The expression this food is lossy expresses ... A. Pleasure. B. Satisfaction. C. Dissatisfaction. D. Happiness. Question number 10. Yesterday, Rajan said, I am bound to win the match. It means that Rajan was ... A. Optimistic. B. Discouraged. C. Pessimistic. D. Saddened. Question number 11. Which one of the following expressions serves the communicative function of expressing willingness in a formal situation? A. I am completely reluctant to share this issue with you. B. I should be delighted to do it in your presence. C. I do loathe doing it now, don't I? D. I have serious reservations about it. Question number 12. Which one of the following components is not incorporated in the CV prepared to attach with the job application for the position of a teacher? A. Age and marital status. B. Education and qualification. C. Health status and political affiliation. D. Job experiences. Question number 13. Which one of the following expressions is not suitable to write in a formal letter? A. I am looking forward to hearing from you. B. I look forward to hearing from you? C. I promise that I will follow all the rules and regulations. D. I have attached all the documents herewith. Question number 14. Which one of the following components is not required in a minute? A. Agenda and decisions. B. Attendance of the participants. C. Closing signature. D. Summary of the meeting. Attend all the question. Group B. Question number 1. Describe the difference between grammatical function and communicative function with examples. Question number 2. Discuss the form and function relation with reference to communication in language with example or question. Suppose you are talking to your younger sister. She is weak in English, which she has to improve. She is seeking suggestion from you and you are suggesting her what she should do to enrich her English. Now write conversation between you and your sister. Question number 3. Write short notes on any two of the following topics. A. Informal language in speech. B. Expressing pleasure and displeasure. C. Preparing a research report. Question number 4. Compose a conversation, at least 7 exchanges between you and your father about celebrating your grandparents' 50th wedding ceremony. Suppose that your father wants to celebrate it at home according to your own culture, but you like celebrating it differently at an expensive party place. At last, you are convinced with your father's opinions. Or question. Imagine that you have just completed a 7-day visit to different parts of country. Now write a letter to your pen friend in the UK describing the visit and inviting him or to visit your motherland in winter. Question number 5. Write the communicative function served by the given expression. A. We do love Nepali folk songs. B. It's my pleasure to be at the party. C. You have our backing regarding this problem. D. Rima, this is Dawa Sherpa from Solukhumbu. E. Don't bother with it now. F. You should better read English newspaper every day. G. I am Vinita Sharma from Khotang. Question number 6. Present some examples or expressions of formal language and illustrate how each of the following communicative function can be expressed in two different formal ways. A. Expressing sympathy. B. Expressing an approval. C. Expressing displeasure. Or question. Suppose you are Pritam Yadav from Pokhara and one of your friends Ranju Tamang from Butwal has just got a scholarship to study MBBS in Kathmandu. Now write her an informal letter of congratulation and invite her to visit your house before her departure to Kathmandu. Group C. Question number 7. Some people view that education provided by institutional privately run school is better than the education provided by the community government funded school. Do you agree with this view? Present your views and arguments in about 500 words. Or question. Describe our greatest festival of the year in about 500 words. Question number 8. Imagine that you are Martina Lama from Viratnagar and have just completed B.Ed majoring English. You have been working as a language tutor at a language center for a long time. In the Gorhapatra, you have seen an advertisement of ABC Academy, Viratnagar, seeking an experienced English teacher. You are willing to apply for the position. Now write an application to the principal of the school and prepare your CV to attach with the application. B.Ed फर्स्ट इयरदेखि 4th इयरसम्मका जुनसुकै विषयका प्रश्नपत्रहरू चाहिए विलन टुगेदरको प्लेलिस्ट B.Ed मेटेरियल एन्ड क्वेसन पेपरमा गई खोज्नुहोला र आफ्नो विषयको तयारी राम्रो गरी इक्जाम राम्रोसँग दिनुहोला। भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट, सब्सक्राइब, सेयर गर्न नबिर्सनुहोला। धन्यवाद।